If you have lost hair in the front and both the temples and you want to go from here to here in just 11 months, then this video is for you. So you see this patient on the day of surgery and him after 3 months and then after 11 months of surgery. See the transformation in him and the confidence he has got back since he's only 24 years old. Do appreciate the transformation of our patient from this state to this state only in 11 months, and do not forget to see the combing video after 11 months and see that at the donor site you cannot find any problem. So our patient was of only 24 years of age. He was quite concerned for his looks, which showed baldness in the front and temple area. He had a family history of balding, and also this hair loss, which was consistent, was for about not less than 3 years. So when he came to us for consultation, he told us that he wants to strengthen his hairline, so we could make out that the temple area and the hairline needs to be proper so that the frame of face is formed and he can comb his hair nicely in a pattern. So before going for surgery, he actually wanted to see how he would look after surgery. So he took help of PeekAI feature of Saraswat Hospital App. Just in 3 simple steps, he downloaded the app, he clicked on the PeekAI feature, and then he uploaded his front and top images. He got back his approximate result pictures in 24 to 48 hours, which were reviewed by us, by ABHRS doctors at Saraswat Hospital, and also approximate number of grafts which were required by him. You can also check how you would look after hair transplant by the help of this PeekAI feature of Saraswat Hospital App. Hi, my name is Dr. Preeti Saraswat. I'm an American board certified hair transplant surgeon working at Saraswat Hospital Agra for past more than a decade now, and after helping more than 1,000 patients in their hair loss problems, we are making this educational series for you, and this is one of the testimonial videos. So as you see on your screen now, our today's patient was Norwood Gate 3. His age was only 24 years. When we did a trichoscopy for him, in the donor area we could see that the average thickness of one hair shaft was around 0.075 millimeters, which was average. Then the coverage value, which is calculated, it can be somewhere between 5 to 15. It was good for him. It was 13.5. Also, the density of grafts at the donor area was around 85, which was normal, and so we could take out enough grafts for him. Actually, the total number of grafts he had at the donor area was more than 12,000, of which 40% we could easily take out if required. Now, considering his requirement, when we calculated the required recipient area, we saw that the number of grafts at the density of 40 grafts per centimeter square in the frontal area, so he needed round about 1500 grafts, and then towards the top he needed about 750 grafts in a density of 32 because he already had some hair in the top region. Total of around 2250 grafts were required by him, which could easily be taken out by FUE method. If you have questions regarding your hair transplant, you can write in the comment section below. So here now on your screen you can see a detailed report, rather the split of his grafts, how many 1 hair, 2 hair, 3 hair, 4 hair grafts he had, and in an average around 2.1 hairs he had per follicular unit graft, which is absolutely average for any person. If you want a personalized hair transplant plan for you, you can call us on the numbers below or click on the link in the description below. Do not forget to share this video with somebody who needs hope. If you want to know the cost of a 3000 grafts hair transplant, you can click the link on the left.